Hey guys, so is the camera too close to the point where you can't see half my head? Let me know in the comments. Let me back up a bit. Okay, better. So yeah, I got a new haircut. Yeah. Why did I say it that weird? Why did I say yeah that weird? So yeah, I got a new haircut, and I'm keeping this video short. And anyway, if you see my Instagram stories, you know that I cut my hair weeks ago. I still haven't told Rachel because I wanted to, like, surprise her for some reason. And a good surprise, obviously. Today I'll be talking about my vacation. So I had 2 photo shoots, and by the way, because I had 2 photo shoots, my camera has full storage, so this is going to be limited to like maybe 4.5 minutes. It says 5.5 minutes, but I think I'm 3 minutes in. 3 minutes in. Stop stuttering. So I had 2 photo shoots as Nami and Tsuyu Asui. I especially love this picture right here. And my dad's a really good photographer, by the way. I was not expecting him to have the pictures come out like he has any experience. They're really good. And I got my parents into more anime, especially my dad. And I had them both watch Landed Illustrious. They said they couldn't get into it because there's no English dub for it. I also hate English subs for any anime because it's just annoying to look at the words on screen and only pay attention to that and not the animation. And it's beautifully animated, which is even more frustrating with no English dub. And there's no second season yet, and it's almost been half a year. Not half a year, it's almost been a year because it came out last year in October. I really hope it gets to season 2 because it was really good. I'm even thinking about reading the manga because that's how much I love it. And yesterday, on our way back home, I went on Netflix and showed my dad Little Witch Academia. And he said he couldn't get into it because there's too much filler and not a lot of action like the shonen animes I've showed him. His favorite being One Piece and My Hero Academia. Mainly One Piece. He says he loves One Piece. So I guess I should get my dad into shonen. I should get my dad into shonen anime, because that seems like the type of anime for him. And in translation, shonen means boy anime. Why am I doing this? It is boy anime, but I think it's confusing what gender demographic it is in Japan. Because I read that Landed Illustrious and Little Witch Academia are aimed at 20 to 30-year-old males in Japan. So it's a little bit confusing with the demographics that appeal to genders in the West. And I want to get more into what I did on vacation, like the wildlife I saw. I saw an eagle, and seals. There was a lot of seals. And I really need to end this because I think I mentioned before, this is going to be a short video because my camera, there's no space. So really have to make this video short. So I'll see you next week with another blog, like talking about why I don't understand why people don't like Disney reboots and why they hate on them. Makes no sense to me because I love the live action remakes of Disney. So anyway, I'll get into that next week, and I'll see you next week. How many times can I say weeks? Anyway, bye!